Hello there people, this is Christian. Welcome back to my computer and Fusion for 60. And this little part in front of us here, this is like a triple connection. There's one connection up here and two down here, and the wall thickness is constant for everything. I'm going to move it around a bit like this. It's a quite simple shape. Let's have a look at the drawing. You can see there are like this rounded sides here of that trapezoid thing. Let's have a look at the drawing. It looks like this. I'm going to keep it like this for a while. You're going to do a screen capture and save it into a file so you can play around with it. Nothing really strange about it. Let's have a bit of a closer look. Let's look at the front view. The three connections are 56 millimeters outside diameter. The angle of this side of a trapezoid, that's this side, the rounded side out here of this, is 60 degrees. The length of all the connections are 50 from the flat side high, flat side up here, from where the trapezoids end. This is 50, this is 50, 50, nothing strange. The wall thickness is constantly 2 millimeters, shown in this section view, A here. The 143 here is of course the outside of these two outer diameter connections. There's none given of a height. You need to do the sketch with the degrees and stuff. And yeah, so the question is, what is the volume? And I made a small notation. It's not 95.563 cubic millimeters. If you happen to get this result, take a close look at this section view, do the same thing in your model, make a plane somewhere and split your model, have a look, or do section analysis, which you can do in Fusion, to have a look, because that is not the answer for this shape in this drawing. I'll zoom out slightly. So with that said, I hope you're gonna have a good weekend, and the sun is shining on you like it does here. It starts to really nice and warm this week, so take care, see you around, and goodbye.